What if I told you that astronomers have detected something massive, something dark, something unexplained moving through the outer edges of our solar system and heading inward? A colossal object, larger than anything we've seen beyond Neptune, traveling in a strange orbit that defies our current models. No one knows exactly what it is. Some scientists think it could be a previously unknown planet. Others think it may be an ultra-dense object hiding in the dark. And the internet? The internet is screaming one word, Nibiru. But is this approaching giant the mythical Planet X, or something even stranger? Welcome back to VibeVerse, the home of smart, viral, daily content where science meets mystery, cosmic discoveries meet logic, and mind-blowing facts hit you every single day. If you love exploring strange signals from space, hidden planets, astronomical surprises, and future tech that shapes our universe, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, join the VibeVerse family, and let's dive into the most mysterious object detected in years. Because whatever is moving toward us out there, it's big, it's dark, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Fact 1. The initial detection. Astronomes recently detected unusual gravitational disturbances in the far edges of our solar system. Tiny, but consistent shifts in the orbits of distant icy bodies. These distortions suggest that a massive object, far larger than a typical asteroid or comet, is pulling on everything around it. The observation didn't come from seeing the object directly, it came from seeing what it does to everything else. This is the same method scientists used to detect Neptune before any telescope had ever seen it. And now, once again, something invisible is creating a gravitational fingerprint strong enough to shake the outer solar system. Fact 2. It's moving inward. What shocked astronomers wasn't just the mass of the object, but its trajectory. The object appears to be slowly moving inward, heading toward the inner solar system on a long, stretched-out orbit. Its path is highly elliptical, unlike the stable orbits of known planets. This kind of orbit suggests the object spends most of its time in deep space, before occasionally swooping closer to the Sun. Objects like this don't just appear. They are ancient, and their movements can take tens of thousands of years to complete a single orbit. Fact 3. Is it Planet 9? For years, scientists have predicted a mysterious world known as Planet 9, hidden giant 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, lurking beyond Pluto. Many believe this newly detected object could finally be the evidence they've been searching for. Planet 9 would be a cold, dark super-Earth, far from the Sun's warmth, invisible in normal light, but detectable through gravity. If this is Planet 9, then we are witnessing one of the biggest astronomical confirmations of the century, a new planet in our solar system. Fact 4. Or is it a brown dwarf? Another theory is even more dramatic. A brown dwarf, a failed star too small to ignite, but too massive to be a planet. Brown dwarfs emit little light and can remain hidden in infrared darkness for millions of years. If a brown dwarf wandered close to our solar system, even slightly, it could disrupt asteroid belts, comet clouds, orbits, and gravitational balances. Some astrophysicists argue that the object's calculated mass is too large to be a planet, and too strange for anything we've catalogued. A brown dwarf companion star, even a tiny one, would completely rewrite our understanding of the Sun's history. Fact 5. The Nibiru hypothesis. Internet immediately jumps to one word: Nibiru. The legendary Planet X, some people believe, will crash into Earth or cause global destruction. However, the reason the theory exploded again, because the object fits some of the classic descriptions: extremely massive, on an elongated orbit, coming inward after a long disappearance. The mystery, the darkness, and the unpredictable orbit created a perfect storm for speculation. But scientifically, Nibiru is not supported, though the object itself is definitely real. Fact 6. The object is hard to see. Haven't we directly seen it? Because objects this far away are almost impossible to detect visually. They reflect almost no sunlight, hide in the thick blackness of the Kuiper belt, and blend into cosmic background radiation. Astronomers rely on infrared scans and gravitational modeling to track it. Imagine trying to see a black object in a black room from billions of miles away. That's what scientists are doing, The fact that they found it at all tells us how massive it must be. Fact 7. Could it affect Earth? Right now, scientists say the object poses no direct threat to Earth. It is nowhere close to entering the inner solar system anytime soon. If it is Planet 9, its closest approach would still be hundreds of times farther away from us than Pluto. If it is a brown dwarf, its gravitational influence would remain strong but distant. The object may reshape comet clouds, redirect icy bodies, or alter asteroid patterns far from Earth, but there is no evidence it will collide with or even pass near our planet. Fact 8. It could solve ancient mysteries. The discovery might explain several long-standing cosmic puzzles. Why certain comets return in strange cycles, why the Kuiper belt is unevenly distributed, why some distant objects orbit at bizarre angles, and why the outer solar system looks like something tugged on it in the past. This mysterious object might be the missing piece, the unseen giant that has been shaping our solar neighborhood for millions of years. Fact 9. The inward motion is slow but real. Although headlines make it sound like the object is approaching rapidly, the truth is far calmer. Its inward drift happens over thousands of years, not months. But the fact that it is moving inward at all is scientifically important. Its slow but steady path gives astronomers a rare window into the solar system's long-term evolution. Fact 10. The final identity is still unknown. The most exciting part. We still don't know exactly what it is. A massive planet? A super-Earth? A rogue world captured by the sun? A new class of object entirely? For the first time in years, astronomers are openly saying, we may be missing a major member of our solar system. And whenever science admits it has a blind spot, you know a big discovery is coming. Conclusion. So, is this Nibiru? No, but the object astronomers found is real, massive, and mysterious enough to reignite the Planet X conversation worldwide. Whether it's a hidden planet, a failed star, or a rogue object wandering into our cosmic neighborhood, one thing is clear. Our solar system is far from complete. Something huge is out there, something powerful enough to tug on distant worlds, and something we are only just beginning to understand. Thank you for watching VibeVerse. If this discovery blew your mind, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more smart, viral, daily, science content. The universe is full of surprises, and we're here to explore every one.